National Testing Agency kadang pan kai point nak sorkar jela halor ke jing keno ba kadon ke jing bakla hakapor ba penlong ya ke exam need hanong ba juai bat nong po ya kene lai thu da ki samla ba yele ya ke exam need hadin ba kilai kendu ya menteri ketenat pule puthi ke jela urakam e sangma habakren chikilat pathai ke bor usamla nang ba suchang ulai thu ba menteri ulafon ya director ka NTA hakmat ki samla mat pan jing penchai halor ke jing keno ba mi ke jing le bakla hakapor penlong ya ke exam NEET lanen need ha nong ba jowai bat hanong po ribhoi district usamla nang ba ulai thu ba hakasngi penlong ya ke exam need kinong penya ya ke exam kilasam artli ki kod jingkli kata ka MNOP bat ka QRST ulai thu banangkong ki bor khmi ya ke exam kila batha ki samla pantho da ka kod jingkli MNOP hanrai hedin kumba 20 minute kala ya ke exam ki bor penya kila kam ba ka kod jingkli ka bakla mat ka dei ka QRST kani kala pun kul markli ya ki samla pule namar kila punlut por hadu 20 minute bantho ya ke exam da jingkli MNOP.
One of the parents which of course these are the aspirant groups. So even we also will have met the minister R.S. Sangman regarding this main issue that affected committed on the 5th of this month. So it seems that this may be the carelessness of the NTA from the center because as what is happened in Jawai and in Nungpo, the same cases have been happened. 2 set of question paper and answer type have provided to them and distributed all among the candidates. So in this matter, we actually look for this matter that this kind of big issue we can say is not happening. If you see we distribute this kind of 2 set of paper, it will be a clear problem for the students who are candidate, and if it is distributed for 2 type of question at the same time, it cannot complete within the time. So we look forward for the better tomorrow and we will decide whatever can do from our side. Aspirant youth will be the future of our general and the society.
This is the first problem in NEET examination.
Yeah, our problem was the same. Like we received like 2 different sets of question paper, and we were asked to attempt only one. Like after 30 minutes or 40 minutes, they ask us to attempt the code MNOP, and then they ask us to set aside the QRST, which we were supposed to attempt.
Well, if in case the NTA don't go for re-examination, so what will be your next step?
I don't know. We were still waiting for an official notice from NTA, so I don't know about that.
So will you file any formal complaint or something, or will you move to court or anything in this regard?
We haven't thought anything about that.
Your name?
Deogratius Kampan.
You want to add?
Sekali jong GSU, mari kita jong tu penonton nyalek sampai kiri hidau, dan hari berapa pelayu sekali, itu baca, pergi ke exam. Mungkin jom itu ada dekan Education Minister, mula ke Padiu, dia ban kumpulan gelak ban di kodok, dia yang editi exam. Nanti dia jom udah bomba. Nanti dia juga kim betul kan kita kajian kita, berka NTA ke kodok ikut ke exam. Maka NTA ke Central Agency berkau kawan ini ke kodok ke exam, kajian ke institution, ber bopla kolong ba ke institution ba kajian ro kim dei ke ba la long bid ban belum gini kerja belum kerja exam marba borok gini kerja na marba kita institution ba penlaj pian gini exam bagi bos kam ki no kai ba kimpat detik kumno ban kondok gini exam akono kruko ban kumno keliti bikin kondok exam bagara kita kadau punya borok kan saja ni mana kalian jungiru gila kerpatur kita sarkar yang baga education department bagi yang chief minister ru ban simkia gini kam long kepala ban kondok yang exam gini arti center baru ban kenapa kena jungi kiba appear kena exam kiba yakun kena exam kena untuk mensim buat nane sekamaru ni tentu ba sarkar ba berkaru kan keren ni NTA ba swa bakan kodok kena exam ba ban tertib supaya sarkar marba sarkar kamtib hakinu ke sekolah ban pelong kena exam ba kampit institution pat ni ability ro ba liba ini kecil kendung yang education minister kan long ba job ba kena jongi ro kinam do mesin dan sekman kia kita kita bisa magandok ng baga NTA jadi bari ading baga state kanang ba kanong mi isu kini kendung penram ba kanong penduk mesin kena jongi
Berta. Siapa tanjat lo jika duduk di minister.
Lagi bersama minister, so ula kan berdiri director general NTA. So after talking to the director of the NTA, now the director is asking for the ground report from the state government, and we have already voiced our issue to our education minister, and the education minister have talked with the director NTA. So now what we are waiting for is an official statement from NTA, and NTA will get a report, ground report from the state government. And these students right now, particularly we want a re-examination for our particular center, which is in Nangpo and in Chowai. And if possible, we want to it's not just about possibility, see, because many of us have already spent many years here preparing for this exam, and many students have already spent so much resources on preparing for this exam. They went to Akash, they went to coaching academies, and so many of us hopeful students from West Jaintia Hills and from Lipa district, we are hopeful about this exam. But then after writing the exam, we know that even the question paper, it's not written all over in the question paper that we wrote. So after talking with the education minister, he said he will see into it. So as we students from the West Jaintia Hills and from Lipa district, we want a re-examination for our particular center, or they can give a re-examination for the whole state. But that we can decide, so that the NT will decide about that. It's up to their wisdom to see how do you conduct the exam. But we want a re-examination. We don't want our year to be spoiled.
Well, what was the problem?
Tarsi kamtam ke GSU rangkat bagi porlok ke KSU. Lalu ke sin benengkong haga dua trek ubenai me. Dari kita ke sin benengkong hadir exam ke ba kena report Joy Center. Kemudian gumba sos pamut ke batok ke exam. Aku tiga ski pada nombok ke gumba 100% yang pamut. Tilap bani fiskal shi ke jing ke joki ke nang jing turmur jangka tiga Joy Center pada nombok center. Tiga pensusi sibun apa ngitip jadi beran-beran cepo tiga jaka tiga Saint Mary's Masarlo tiga lap kedai kijing baklahi naki ni ki invigilators ke bagilap ha arli ki question papers bagi datang kena apa lagi tasting andre mensim ke decision bahdi kena ki klik ai question paper kin datang kesimpor ki 4 minit mensim ke decision dari yang administrative dari yang ki bakandak exam tahadim klat hok sapo minit ya kata question paper kisim no ke mendatang no data ko ipat ke code number jong question paper kata ke MNOP ke we ba ke QRST kini baru ke peni baga ko punya exam bola kita seteng dengan tak di exam telah fail lupa ke first place ke sin kata ke cingstang ke jongka apa kata lagi kita seteng de ke bahar ko long bagi kena adin bagi baharin grade ke exam ki sempat baga mitkat jong ki jingsha de men submit no ke ahli ki pages na bo ga mitkat men submit jaga asaki de ki bapej bakmi invigilators apa bapej apa classroom dia kata ki pediang ke mitkat kembali ke guidelines jong ke NTA Tekan dia porok pensusi kena, dan nanti pergi kena di sembat labba all over India kita ada ke code number jauh question paper ada QRST, kembali itu mentan. Dan dari apa Joy Center menopok kian 2 sets of question paper, praset ki question paper kata dari MNOP ber QRST. Tekan dia porok ke pendi long ke pen bakal lagi kena, ke bakal discourage khantam kita belatan akibatnya kasih menengkong. Begini akibatnya license sosi kena penduk mesin fisio nomor porok ke India ke biang orang penyai ke exam. Repot hari ki center po state ke jongi ke lomba kalau turmur do kata. Tengi pan lenga sang ring itu kinga pak ki beran sau education minister ngap pentep lang sau chief minister ke jo. Hoi ki lasim kian lenga state and repot ki wasosi ke lomba ngi shutep kata ke khubor ke lomba ke NTA ke tho ke conduct exam ni claim do yo bor le claim pentep yang state government. Wangi suatu ke central agency ke conduct exam, benar-benar kena ke interference ke state. Henry ngasuh menong part shop benjit ke center bentuk exam, ke bentuk ke state benjit ke balong pakar, bar ke balong well trained invigilators. Dan yang kesengi mentasi nak keren baru Minister in charge of education rakam sangma tinggal keren kalau bagi pressure benci kesentai bobiang kabar kalau ba kini kena sans pangut kalau we jung kini tep shay kan point la jia kumni bat kan long do mensim haga jing long turmo do ho kan exam amar kumbo ong radili lupa 10 minit kimyo melatam baru ars pak tigi question ke max ka do lupa tu kan leng seng ni dawa naga sokar dim petskau ke NTE kalau baklafin pa di exam la arli center bat dai dadala long bala ni dawa kalau ban menteri conduct exam hag arli center baka syongpat hag wisdom gajing penyat ini gajing kenapa long garai ke bakado ke NTE ke dai penyat exam ke bahag kawet aku state jungi bat ban reconduct exam namar gi kena ya kuilenti benyo banatem sa sisin ya kumpiri ke exam begini olah dan puli doktor